Grub and NVIDIA are zone plays that we're considering. And then OKTA will be for swing breakout. Also PayPal on our radar. GPN as well, GPN Global Payments. They were up, we had them up on the chart here, but we replaced it with OKTA. And we'll be watching that. So hopefully a lot of action today. Earnings kicked off this morning. RL and ZTS both up. ZTS on the move. Dexcom though up huge. Dexcom is up 37 bucks right now. Wow. Yep. So they're leading our list, and then right behind it is Ralph Lauren, RL. They're up about 13 bucks. IAC, Baidu, Amazon, GoDaddy. GoDaddy's another one. Qualcomm had earnings yesterday. Good earnings report. They beat. They're up 5 bucks. And then what's Boeing doing up there? Name that we're in currently, Tesla. Tesla is moving to the upside. Let's see if it can get above top of the channel again. Breakout as it inches closer and closer to our profit target.